Hi guys, it's Rachel from WTI, and if anybody ever has a problem with smelly shoes, it can easily be changed with these foot pedal shoe deodorizers. It comes in a pack of 6. These are so great. They are not overpowering. They make your shoes smell amazing. They fit in the smallest spaces. I originally bought these because for winter boots, anything that gets wet, my son's work boots, comes in a pack of 6. You have different colors, which I mean, if it's in your shoes, it doesn't really matter what kind of color you have, but we do it so that we know whose is whose, which is great. It's easy. You just literally slide the front or the back of it so you can have as much of the scent coming out if you want. You just throw it inside your shoe, your boot, your skate, whatever you want, in your gym bag, and it takes away the smell. It is so fantastic. You're not going to have a stinky doorway anymore. You're not going to have stinky work boots. You're not going to have stinky gym bag. It is going to smell fresh, not overpowering, but just the right amount of scent that people will not be plugging their noses, which I absolutely love, but that's just my point of view.